Solitaire Cash does not provide a publicly available VIP tier breakdown with specific rewards or benefits, so whether it is worth it depends on what features and advantages are available to your account. By the end, you'll know what to check before deciding if a Solitaire Cash VIP tier is valuable for your playing habits. The first thing to check is what VIP benefits are actually offered inside your Solitaire Cash account. Open the app and review the VIP section, account page, or any available membership details. Different users may see different offers, so the value depends on the benefits shown to you. Look for features that directly affect how you use the app. A VIP tier may only be useful if the benefits match your goals, such as improved account features, special offers, or other advantages available through the program. If you rarely use Solitaire Cash, a VIP option may provide less value because you may not use the available benefits. If you play frequently, compare the VIP features with your normal app experience. Check whether the benefits save time, improve your experience, or provide features you would actually use. Do not judge a VIP tier only by the label. The important part is the specific benefits included with your account. You should also review any costs, requirements, or conditions before accepting a VIP offer. Read the details carefully, and check what you receive in return. If the VIP tier requires spending money or completing certain actions, compare those requirements with how often you use Solitaire Cash. Another step is checking user feedback and recent app information. App features can change over time, so make sure the VIP details you are viewing are current. If you cannot find clear information about your VIP status or benefits, contact Solitaire Cash support through the app. Support can explain account-specific offers that may not appear publicly. The main way to decide if Solitaire Cash VIP is worth it is to compare the actual benefits shown in your account with how often you use the app. Review the VIP details, check the requirements, and decide based on the features you would personally use. Before upgrading or accepting any offer, take a minute to read the full terms inside the app. Subscribe for more app guides, reward app explanations, and troubleshooting tutorials. And like the video if this helped you understand whether Solitaire Cash VIP is worth checking out.